we're making banana ice cream, we're making nut milk, we're making wheatgrass, we're making baby food, puree food, right? And we're making salsa with this machine. So this is gonna be really fun, you guys. I'm actually excited about this. This is the MM1500. You guys know I work with Omega. Everybody was always asking me, well, what about baby food? And what about nut butters? And what about nut milks? I'm like, you know what? Let's do it all. Let's do it all. Let's make some banana ice cream. What I like to do, just a little tip on this freezing banana thing. I like to kind of keep them whole. I have it set for ice cream. So I'm popping some banana in here right now. So there it goes. Oh yeah. So let's make some baby food or puree. I'm gonna run some steamed yams through here. Take a look. So that is the puree, baby food, yams, you could do carrots. I'm gonna do some wheatgrass right now. So I have right here the end cap for the wheatgrass. This is the 1500. It's known to save you money because it's got that celery end cap. You can't extract this kind of wheatgrass juice from other juicers. I know, I've seen it out there. You're looking at how dry the pulp is, the wheatgrass pulp. Other juicers, they don't do that. It's got its own little strainer on top of it. I'll show you this, which is incredible about the juicer, the MM1500. Making some walnut milk right here. And what I'm gonna do is add water in here. Now these are soaked walnuts, just so you know. The nuts are soaked overnight. Yes, that's what I like to do when I'm making a nut milk. Now this machine really pulverizes. You can actually take this, the froth over here, and you can actually take that off. So you do a little bit of a mix to it. So I'm making a salsa right now. So I'm dropping tomato in, I'm dropping some onion in here. I put a lime in here too, a little bit of cilantro. Dropping some jalapeno in there now. So what you do is you take this part here, you mix it in here, like this. So what I'm doing is I'm mixing this up. This one's a little hotter. So what I'm doing right now is I'm making a walnut butter. It's like sticks of butter, but walnut butter. Butter you buy, they add a ton of oil. There wasn't 4 ounces of oil added into this. It's the MM1500, and that's what it does. $80 off. And you know what's incredible about this right now? It's $80 off, and you get a free Cleanse to Heal book with it, which is really cool. So I'm excited about that all on its own.